A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. So students, in our today's class, we are going to continue the remaining practice questions. Right, from chapter 5, that is subtraction. Clear, children? So in our last class, we have completed from question number 10 to question number 16. Right, children? So in our today's class, we are going to continue the remaining one. So children, basically we have learned what? Word problems. Right, word problems on subtraction of 2-digit number and also 1-digit number and in practice questions. Right? So, as we are learning word problems, so before starting our today's class, that is workbook practice questions, the remaining ones, let's do a quick recap. So children, I have a question for you all. Ravi has 8 roses. Okay. Ravi has 8 roses. 5 roses are red. Ravi has how many roses? 8 roses. 5 roses are red. Question is, how many roses are not red? So how you are going to find? Ravi is a boy. He has 8 roses. Out of 8, 5 roses are red. Now question is, how many roses are not red? How you are going to find out, children? Yes? So, how many roses are not red? How we are going to find out? Ravi has 8 roses. Out of 8, 5 roses are red. So, how many roses are not red? How you are going to find out? Yes? Here, what we are going to do? Which concept? We are going to apply subtraction. Okay. So, Ravi has how many roses? 8. Out of 8 roses, how many are red? 5 roses are red. So, 8 minus 5. Now, what we are going to find out? We are going to find out how many roses are not red. So, do subtraction from total number of roses, 8. Out of 8, how many are red? 5. So 8 minus 5. From 8, you remove 5. Then 5 roses, red roses. Now, how much left? 3. How many roses that are not red? Is 3. So, out of 8 roses, 5 roses are red. And 3 are not red in color. That 3 roses are different color. So question asks what? Ravi has 8 roses, 5 roses are red. How many roses are not red? So what is the answer? 3. Okay, total 8. Out of 8, 5 roses are red, 3 roses are not red color. Got it, children? Clear? As we are doing word problems on subtraction, so this is your what? It's a recap part. Yeah, now we will continue word problems, right? 2-digit numbers from practice questions. Clear, children? So let's start. So children, we start from question number 18. Alright? Hamza drew 16 rectangles. Hamza drew how many rectangles? 16 rectangles. Okay. Reshma drew 29 rectangles. Hamza drew how many rectangles? 16. He drew how many rectangles? 16. Reshma drew 29 rectangles. Okay. Now question asking what? Who drew more and by how many? Out of Hamza and Reshma, who drew more rectangles? You have to find out that. And by how many? How many more? You have to find out. So now tell me, children, Hamza drew 16, Reshma drew 29 rectangles. So who drew more? Hamza or Reshma? Reshma, because 29 is greater than 16. Yes or no? So Hamza drew rectangles how many? Hamza drew rectangles equal to 16. Reshma Reshma drew rectangles. How many children? Reshma drew rectangles equal to 29. Now question asking what? Who drew more? Who drew more? Hamza or Reshma? So we will write Reshma drew more rectangles. Yes. Now we have to find out by how many. So to find out how many, what you have to do? We are going to subtract 16 from 29. Then we will get how many more rectangles Reshma drew than Hamza. Okay. By seeing this, we can easily tell that who drew more. Reshma drew more rectangles. So first part we got. Now second part, but how many? So to find out how many, we have to do subtraction. 29 minus 16. Alright, now do subtraction. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. From 9 you cut 6, you will get 3. Now come to tens place. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the answer? 30. Who drew more? Reshma drew more rectangles. By how many? So what we are going to write? Reshma drew more rectangles. Right. By how many question asked? Here we will write Reshma drew 13 more rectangles than Hamza. Okay children, got it? So Hamza drew 16, Reshma drew 29. So who drew more? By seeing the number we can say that Reshma drew more rectangles. Yes, because 29 is greater than 16. Now another part of the question, by how many? How many more Reshma drew than Hamza? To find out that how many, we have to subtract 29 minus 16. When we subtract, we got 30. So here we will write, so Reshma drew 13 more rectangles than Hamza. Okay, so Reshma drew 13 more rectangles than Hamza. Got it children? Clear? Now let's continue number 90. Question number 90. A shopkeeper sold 86 balls on Monday. Okay, a shopkeeper sold 86 balls on Monday. He sold 39 balls on Tuesday. Okay, what shopkeeper sold? Balls. A shopkeeper sold 86 balls on Monday. He sold 39 balls on Tuesday. Okay. How many less number of balls did he sell on Tuesday than Monday? So how many balls sold on Monday? 86. How many balls sold on Tuesday? 39. Now question asks what? How many less number of balls? Less number of balls did he sell on Tuesday than Monday? So which day he sold more balls? Monday. Yes or no? Tuesday he sold less number of balls. Yes? Because you say 86 is greater than 39. So how many less number of balls he sold on Tuesday than Monday? You have to find out. So how you are going to find out children? Tell me. Balls sold on Monday. How many children? Equal to 86. Balls sold on Tuesday. How many? How many children? 39. Which day he sold more balls? Monday or Tuesday? Children? Yes, he sold more balls on Monday and less number of balls on Tuesday. Okay. Now question asks what? How many less number of balls did he sell on Tuesday? How many less he sold? That one you have to find out. How many less number of balls did he sell on Tuesday than Monday? How many less? You have to find out. So how you are going to find out, children? So here we are going to do what? Subtraction to find out number of balls sale on Tuesday then Monday. Clear? Got it? So do subtraction, tens, ones. 86 minus 39. 86 minus 39 you have to do to find out number of balls he sale on Tuesday then Monday. Clear? So do. So here you see. Can you subtract 9 from 6? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow. Borrow from tens place. 110 we are going to borrow. Yes. So when we borrow 110, so 10 plus 6 it becomes 16. Now number become bigger. 16 minus 9. It comes how much, children? 7. From 16 you cut 9. Comes 7. Clear? Now when you borrow 110 in the tens place, one number become less. So it comes how much? 7. Now you subtract. You subtract 3 from 7. Okay, 7 minus 3. How much? 47. How many less number of balls did he sell on Tuesday than Monday? How we have find out? By doing subtraction. Number of balls sales on Monday, 86. Number of balls sold on Tuesday, 39. 86 minus 39, we got how much? 47. So, what is the answer? 47. Yeah. So, what you will write here? So, 47 balls, 47 less balls he sold on Tuesday then, or you can write like this. So shopkeeper sold 47 less balls on Tuesday than Monday. Got it, children? Yes? Balls sold on Monday, 86. Balls sold on Tuesday, 39. Question asked what? How many less number of balls did he sell on Tuesday than Monday? So, how many less number of balls he sell on Tuesday than Monday? So, how to find out? By doing subtraction. Number of balls sold on Monday, 86, minus number of balls sold on Tuesday, that is 39. So, after doing subtraction, we got how much? 47. So, 47, the shopkeeper sold 47 less balls on Tuesday than Monday. By seeing the number only, we can say or not which day he sold more, Monday only, which day he sold less, Tuesday. Now, question asks what? How many less number of balls he sold? So, how we are going to find out? By doing subtraction. So, he sold 47 less balls on Tuesday than Monday. Clear, children? Clear? So, next, the last question. That is question number 20. Now, question number 20. So, what is given in question number 20? Ronald has 43 toy cars. Ronald is a boy. He has how many toy cars? 43. Rahim has 19 toy cars less than Ronald. Ramana has 11 toy cars less than Rahim. Find the number of toy cars with Ramana. Ronald has how many toy cars? 43 toy cars. So children, all of you have toy cars, no? Yes, you love to play. So Ronald has how many toy cars? 43. Rahim has 19 toy cars less than Ronald. Okay. Ramana has 11 toy cars less than Rahim. Find the number of toy cars with Ramana. So here you see how we are going to find out. Toy cars. Toy cars. So this type of car, Ronald has how many? 43. Ronald has 43 toy cars. Okay. Next, Rahim has 19 toy cars less than Ronald. So Rahim has what? Rahim has 19 toy cars less than Ronald. That means what? Ronald has how many toy cars? 43. Rahim has 19 toy cars less than Ronald. That means what? Rahim has how many toy cars less than Ronald? 19. Now what you have to find out? How many toy cars are there with Rahim? So how you are going to find out? 19 toy cars less than Ronald means 43 minus 19. We have to do subtraction. So when we do subtraction, 43 minus 19, we will get the answer. What answer? Number of toy cars with Rahim. So see here, can you subtract 9 from 3? No. So we need to do what? Borrowing. 110. So 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 9. From 13 you cut 9. How much left? 4. 9 tens place. 110 we gave. So you left 3. 3 minus 1. 2. So Rahim has how many toy cars? 24 toy cars. Got it? Now, Ramana has 11 toy cars less than Rahim. Ramana has how many toy cars less than Rahim? How many toy cars less than Rahim? Ramana has 11 toy cars less than Rahim. So what we have to find out? How many? Find the number of toy cars with Ramana. So now we have to find out what? How many toy cars are with Ramana? So what is given here? Ramana has 11 toy cars less than Rahim. Now tell me children, Rahim has how many toy cars? 24. So to find out number of toy cars with Ramana, what we have to do? Ramana has 11 toy cars less than Rahim. That means what? 24 minus 11. Because Ramana has 11 toy cars less than Rahim. Rahim has 24 toy cars. Okay, from 24 subtract 11. So do subtraction. 24 minus 11. So do 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. What is the answer? 13. So Ramana has 13 toy cars. Understood, children? Ronald has how many toy cars? 43 toy cars. Rahim has 19 toy cars less than Ronald. That means 43 minus 19. So Rahim has how many toy cars? 24. Ramana has 11 toy cars less than Rahim. 24 minus 11 equal to 13. So Ramana has 13 toy cars. Ronald has 43 toy cars. Rahim has 24 toy cars. Ramana has 13 toy cars. Clear, children? Got it? Less than, your written means you have to subtract. Yeah. So we have completed all the questions. So children, kindly you all practice these questions at home. Clear? And you all note it down this question in your maths copy. Got it, children? And I'll give you 2 questions for your practice. And that 2 questions I'll ask you in the live class. That is not your homework, only for your practice. And you have to give me the answer in the next live class. Clear, children? I'm going to ask you. So thank you.